Hello and welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to try something totally different. This is a Turkish coin given to me by a friend on the market. Now the trouble with these coins is it's like the €2 coins, it's got a centre, a different type of metal. So obviously that's going to come out. So we need to punch a hole in it first. So I want to use a 1/2 inch punch. And we'll see if the whole centerpiece comes out. Hopefully it does. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Punch a hole in it. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. Let's see what happens. How about straightening up the video a bit? There you go. So what we got? Bloody wires everywhere. Well, that centerpiece didn't come out. But I think it will come out when I go to fold it. Yeah, it's coming out now, look. So let's punch that out. Take over to Big Red. Right, let's get that bit out. But it's going to be a very narrow banded ring if I can do it. Let's see. Yes. So that's what we're left with. I'll make this for him. So I think he'd probably like this size on the outside of the ring, I'd have thought. So let's anneal it and see what happens. A bit too much zoom there. Zoom, zoom, go away. There you go. On my knees again. God. Right. Just look for that flame to change to an orangey colour. The kitchen roll. Right off. Okay. So, yeah, we'll go for this. So this prevents the coin. This is spike. This is a ring stretcher. This prevents, first of all, let's fold it. Stupid boy. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I'm excited. Okay. Right, that face down. This is going to be a very narrow band ring, but I think it'd be quite nice. I'll take it to work tomorrow and show him, see if he likes it. I don't know his size, but I can easily adjust it. Yes. So that is fully folded. We don't even have to clean up the inside, it's nice. Right, let's put it on spike. And stretch it out a bit. What size we got? This is a size 11. I'll give it a couple more. This just fits on my little finger. I've got big fingers. Okay. Now what we're looking at. That is a size 13. No, it's not a size 12. That'll do. Now we go down to the bottom part of spike. These are just reducers of different sizes on both sides of the plate. So, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little red button at the bottom of the right hand corner of the video. Press that and you'll automatically be subscribed. Easy peasy. What else we got? That's not too bad. If you'd like me to make you a ring, I'd hope you do so. Is this going to work? Oh. Perhaps I should anneal it again. You can even send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings for you. I'll film the whole process and I'll stick it on YouTube for you so you can see me make your ring. I need another 20 subscribers so I can do them live, so come on, start pressing that button. Just dry it off. Right, let's give it another go. Where were we? I think it was on this one. The thing with these is if it fits, it works. Yes. What we got? Pretty straight. I don't like this edge here. See, the edge is a bit sharp. The inside's okay. There's not much of a lip. Let's clean that up. The inside. This is the deburring tool. Yeah. I didn't think this would work, but these might, you know, narrow band rings. That's nice. So what I'm going to do about this lip. That's got to go. I don't think this is going to be... I've got some very, 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 very fine files here. This might not work, I don't know. I'm holding the file at about a 45-degree angle just to try and get rid of this this sharp reeded edge. I mean, these make great presents, you know, your birthday or something like that for somebody. I've got quite a load of English and Finnish coins. You can check out my shop. I'm still updating it all the time at the moment. It's yourfingermyring.com, or you can contact me at my email address, which is yourfingermyring@proton.me. I'm trying to find somebody with a few of the I think it's 1973 UK 50 pences with all the hands. You know, the I think it's the European Union that just kicked off. There's a load of joining hands around a 50p. They'd make lovely rings. So if you've got any of them and you want to sell them, I'll have them off you. How's that feel? It's still there a little bit. I suppose I could use a Dremel for this, couldn't I? Still? You see, I'm not touching the actual inner part. It's just that edge I want to get rid of. Let's see what it looks like when it's finished, or if it gets finished. Still quite a bit on there. How's everybody doing today? You all good? That's a lot better. Yeah, I could use the Dremel in future. I mean, this is just like a practice really to see if I can do it. I think I can, obviously, because it's nearly done now. That's a lot better. Let's clean it up a bit. Let's clean up the inside. With a bit of polish. As I've said a thousand, well not 1,000 times because I haven't done 1,000 videos, but as I've said a lot of the time, I don't highly polish the outside of the ring, because I'd rather get a bit more detail. Right, let's see what that looks like. Got more polish on my hands than the ring. Yeah, the inside's quite nice. All the text on this side. It's a nice design, and you've got that crescent moon. I think it's a crescent moon, I don't know. In future, if I make more of these, I think I'll use the Dremel to cut out that top lip. That's she looking. Quite pretty, isn't it? 2014 Turkish ring. It's my little finger. There you go, Tarek. One for you, mate. Thanks for the coins. Have a great day. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a great week. Bye-bye.